Okay, so for today we're going to be using this metal tray that we got from Hobby Lobby. And we're going to be taking some of this buffalo plaid ribbon that we had and lacing it through the openings along the rim of the tray. This ribbon was the perfect size, and we just laced it all the way around. Once it was laced, we put a knot in the back and then cut off any extra ribbon that we did not need. And then next we went through our bucket of furniture knobs that we had, and we took 4 knobs, painted 2 of them black and 2 of them white, using our Wise Owl chalk synthesis paint. Now once everything was dry, we used this decor wax. And this is one of our favorite go-to products, especially on anything that has detail. So it's really easy to apply, and you basically just rub some on your finger and you rub it right over the surface of the detail. And you see there how it grabs the raised areas. This decor wax is easy to apply, and it comes in a variety of colors. And then next I had these small magnets that I hot glued to the back of each knob. And the decor wax really makes the detail in these knobs pop. And there you go. Now you have yourself this cute magnetic tray that you can hang your notes or any pictures from. And to hang it, we took a piece of twine and we just tied it to the openings and made a knot. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to go over and check us out on YouTube to see our other tutorials. Have a great day.